Hello everyone, let's learn how to introduce self and others. We can use I am, my name is, this is singular, these are plural. Nice to meet you. For example, I am John, my name is John, this is my mother, this is my father, these are my brother and my sister. Nice to meet you. Or hello, hi. We use this for greeting. Example, hi Janet, nice to meet you. Hello Bob, nice to meet you too. I have got one brother and one sister. Verb to have expresses possession. I have got long form, I've got short form. You have got, you've got. We have got, we've got. They have got, they've got. He has got or he's got. She has got or she's got. It has got, it's got. An exercise. Ask and answer. Have you got brothers or sisters? Yes, I have got one brother and one sister. Or negative form. No, I haven't got any brother or sister. Another exercise. How many brothers or sisters have you got? I have got 4 brothers and 2 sisters. How old are you? I am 15 years old. We can use how many to express numbers. How old expresses age. An exercise. Ask your classmate about his or her family, then complete the report. Write your mate's answers here. Name James. He has got 2 brothers and 1 sister. His brothers named Max, Stefan. His sister's name Julia. Age 12, 15, and 20 years old. Now complete. My classmate's name is James. He has got 2 brothers. The name of his brothers are Max and Stefan. He also has got 1 sister. Her name is Julia. Max is 12 years old. Stefan is 15 years old. Julia is 20 years old. I love them so much. They love me too. I am happy with them. What are your hobbies? Cycling, dancing, reading, video games, football, swimming, listening to music, etc. Complete. Hi, I am John. I love cycling. Hello, I am Stefan. I like dancing. Hi, I am Julia. I am fond of reading. Hello, I am Max. I love video games and football. Hi, I enjoy listening to music and swimming. My favorite passion is singing. Verbs like love, enjoy, plus noun phrase express likes. What is your favorite pastime? I love tennis. Is tennis your only pastime? No, it isn't. I like football